What's up, guys? Today is Issa's graduation-ish thing. She is graduating what, 8th grade?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's gonna graduate 8th grade, and there's no ceremony, of course, because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But we're gonna try to do a little surprise right now. She thinks she's gonna go to her school and pick up her diploma, but we're actually gonna try to surprise her and see if we can have a little celebration at the school. Right now we're gonna get some flowers, balloons. We have some signs in the trunk so she feels special, congratulate her for all her hard work, and yeah, we'll take you guys along the way.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep.
Congratulations!
Wow, you saw her, you're gonna hold. Oh!
Oh, come on! Wow. Look at that.
Put on the cap and gown first.
Hold
up the signs, Luke. Are you gonna put the graduation song in there?
We will still be friends forever. Dun, 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 dun.
Hit her so she can cry.
Dun, 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 dun.
What they say, there are no kingdoms without rulers. Are you ready for change? We could be kings and queens every day. On the low, we are brave. Yes, even braver than the bravest. So let's
Congratulations, Issa.
start the race.
Are you ready for 9th grade?
We should be kings and queens every day.
4 more years.
You've been trying to find your crown. Happy camper through the ups and downs. Keeping calm, winning ground. Let's build castles now.
Does it feel any different to be a graduate 8th grade?
No, but I'm glad I promoted.
Good. One step forward. It's always gonna feel like it's not anything different, but then you just have like the key to the next level of the next chapter or whatever. But yeah, we're all proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.